In this quick video guide, I want to show you how you can download 3D models from the website CZ Trader, where you can find a lot of models to create, for example, your VR or AR application, or if you want to print in 3D, or if you need assets for your video games and also for your architectural project. So you will find models for architecture, design, and landscape, and many other fields. So first of all, we just type here in Google CZ Trader and we will click here on the first result. This is gonna take us to the home page. Now on the top you have this menu where you can find many different sections of the website, and also you have this nice interactive 3D model that you can click and drag to see all the details. You can scroll the wheel to check the fine details here of the material. And this is kind of the standard 3D models that you can find. You will find also low poly models, not only high poly, so with high details, but also low poly models for video games and so on. And you can see here many categories: aircraft, animals, architectural, exterior, interior, cars, characters, and etc. etc. And also you can check here examples for low poly PBR, physically based render models. Now, if you don't know what PBR is or what 3D printing is or other topics, you can search for in our YouTube channel. We probably created another video guide and sometimes a video course in a particular software or topic. So let's go here to 3D models, and you will find again here many categories, and again PBR, low poly, discounts, and here you will find free 3D models. And this is wonderful because in this marketplace you will find really a huge library of assets and props that you can use for many different situations. You have cars, you have humans, and also you have a lot of formats here. You have the most famous or popular 3D software like 3D Studio Max or Blender, Maya, and so on. And also STL, that's the format for printing, and FBX and OBJ, which are the most common and most flexible and versatile format that you can use. You can use these formats basically in any 3D software or any render engine. So let's go down here and check some other tools of this website. So first of all, you can define a target. If you want to have a budget, you can set it right here, or you can check the free checkbox and continue. Now you have formats here. So if you're looking for something in particular, like for example, Cinema 4D or 3D Studio Max or Maya, you can select it from here. Now, if you're interested in our channel, you will find video courses about this 3D software and render engine like V-Ray or Cinema 4D, for example, and many others. And if you want, you can type your comments, you can type your questions, and if you want some help, or also you can type suggestions for other users. Now, let's move on. Here you have a poly count. So if you want low poly or high poly, you can set a range from here. Also license, and again, other checkboxes to filter your search. And here also you have the oldest, the newest, lower price, higher price, and so on. So let's say that I like one of these model. For example, I can go here and I like this one. So I can click, and here I find the additional information. Now let's go back and try another one. So let's say that I need some furniture for my project. Again, here you can see the other details of the model, and usually you have this wireframe which is going to show you the actual polygon scene to the scene, and you can tell that this is kind of middle way between low poly and high poly because it has a lot of polygons but not exaggerated. Right side here you find the license. You can see this is free to download, and also you'll find other details like it that is was developed in Cinema 4D, render with Maxwell 3.2, and other information about the version. Actually, this is R16, the version of Cinema 4D, and this is V-Ray 3.4. And also you have other formats here. You have for 3ds Max, you have OBJ, and you have FBX. Again, these are the most popular. You will probably find these two anywhere, because once you have it in one of these formats, you can use it practically in any situation. Let's scroll down again. Here you can see if the model is animated, if it's rigged, so ready for animation, if you can use it for VR, AR, low poly for, let's say, video game or real-time application. You can see if it has PBR materials, so physically bay render material, and also other information about geometry like the number of polygons, the vertices, if it has textures, if it has materials, if it has mapping, and so on. Now, if you don't know any of these terms, don't worry. Just type on the search in our channel, you'll find another video guide explaining to you what these are and how you can manage all these parts of your model using a particular software or a website or other. Okay, there you have other information and also similar models at the bottom. So you can see these are not for free, you need to pay, but usually they're not so expensive. Now let's go up again and let's click on free download. There you go. Now when you click there, it's gonna ask you to wait for a few seconds. It's gonna prepare for you a list of files that you can use to download this particular asset. So if you just wait, let's wait together. 3, 2, 1, and that's it. Now these are the packages. You can see everything is zipped in a 7-zip file. And if you don't know what 7-zip is, again, you will find a guide in our channel, but you can search for it. It's a software to unpack these packages, basically. And you can see you have native Cinema 4D, you have 3ds Max, and FBX, OBJ. So decide which one you want, click on the format, click on download. Now the last step is to create an account if you don't have one yet, or you can access via Google or Facebook's directly without creating a new account with email and password. And that's it. Once you're finished, you will find the model in your download folder, and then you're ready to go to do whatever you need to do in your project. So this will be all for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed. Please, if you did it, support us by subscribing to the channel. And if you want to support us more, you can join so that we can make more videos, more courses, and we can give more help to everyone who's interested. So thanks for watching again. See you in the next video.